Good afternoon everyone, I am Pallavi Jha along with my groupmates are here to present a small presentation on the topic Decision Support System. The topic we are going to cover today are definition of Decision Support System, features and its characteristics, components and its structures. So what actually a decision support system is? A decision support system is a computer-based application that is used to improve a company's decision-making capabilities and abilities. It analyzes large amount of data and presents it in an organization with the best possible options available. It also synthesizes and operates the data and presents it to the viewer and the company. Decision support systems bring together data and knowledge from different sources and areas and presents it to the organization and provide users with information beyond the usual reports and summaries. This is intended to help people make informed decisions. Now we are going to see some of the characteristics of decision support system.